Hey, it's day 6 of week 1. And you want to know what's going on, just check the hashtags beneath, right? I have thoroughly come down with the lurgy that I've been fighting off for a couple of weeks now. But I still have to get the Stocktake done. And today finds me in the bathroom. Now, the bathroom for me, or us, is where not only we keep all our soaps and shampoos and stuff like that, it's also where we keep our first aid, it's where we keep our cleaning products, it's where we keep a lot of our paper products. So, and of course towels, etc. All has to be stock-taked, all so that we know where we are, because I like to have a year's worth of everything on the shelves. Means that I have a chance to then look at what we need, what we haven't got, what we've got more of, you know, and what I don't need to put on the list for the rest of the year. So there's a little look, and it is a bit of a mess at the moment, but it will be sorted out when I do Stocktake. So these are the shelves. I mean, like, 2 of those shelves, they get kept for towels. So they're the bathy towels, they're the, you know, hand towels and face cloths. Up here's all our first aid stuff. Toilet paper for days. Cleaning stuff and bleaches and stuff are all on that shelf. This is personal stuff. Tunny side, my side. Yeah, girls shelf. Pretty much is that. And then underneath there's a bunch of other stuff. And there's, I can't even think. I can't even think right now, let alone try to put it all down by think. But next week is a fairly easy week, so my Stocktake week may extend into next week, because I think I might be putting this aside for today and just taking myself off to bed, because I feel like I've been hit by a truck. And that's okay. You know, next week is really, really easy, okay? And I'll probably have it knocked out in the first day. So that's going to give me like 6 days to catch up on stuff that I haven't been able to do right now. And I'm not entirely upset by that. So yeah, I'm just going to edit this so that you guys have got it. And then I'm out. I'm going to bed. I've just made myself some lemon and honey. Ta-da. And I'm going to take two paracetamol and I'm gonna go to bed, because yeah, it's not worth it. It's not worth pushing that little bit extra. But you guys now have another idea of something else to Stocktake during this week. So get into your bathroom, get into your cleaning supplies, get into all of the smellies. Do you know what I mean? The smellies and the cleanies. Yeah, so get all that done. That's your job for today. All right, and I will see you tomorrow. I want to say tomorrow. Okay, where we wrap the week up. Okay.